Now you might be like, XML, isn't there a way in which I can avoid having to add more code in another language, XML, just to avoid more Java code in my app? Well, there is something we can use. As we mentioned before, Android Studio comes with a full-featured visual layout editor, which is accessed through the Design tab. This layout editor allows us to place all sorts of stuff onto our layouts, such as views that display text, or images, edit text, or have interactive buttons. We often refer to these single-purpose views as widgets. Let's create a new project for this one. This is a bit of a free-form exercise, meaning that your solution doesn't have to be exactly the same as ours. We're going to practice building a layout using the layout editor and the constraint layout. A constraint layout is a special kind of layout that uses complex constraints on the child views to allow for dynamic layouts that respect different window sizes. So we added constraint layout to the project, and we changed the root layout of our main activity to be a constraint layout. The editor has some special buttons and controls for building constraint layouts. We're going to turn off the second one that looks like a magnet that automatically creates constraints as we change things. Let's switch to landscape mode. Keep dragging stuff around and adding views until you end up with a layout that looks approximately like this one. Or just design something cool on your own. Proud of your creation? Post it in the forums. There's a really cool code lab if you want to learn more about constraint layout in the link. But we'll cover it in more detail later on when we're fine-tuning our UI design.